world is that noise? Got some kind of racket going on. So I'm out here on the trail tonight. I know you guys can't see too much, but I've got a noise here in the back of the bike. Just popped out of nowhere. And just so happened, I brought this little Acebeam light that these guys sent me. Just put it in my pocket because I thought I might be late getting home. And let's see if we can use it and see what in the world's going on with this sound. I've got something going on here in the back. I don't know if I got a stick hung up here or what in the world's going on. So let's see. It looks good there. It's dark out here, babe. I think I see what it is. Yep, chain's coming loose. Well, maybe I can nurse it back home, get it fixed up. Glad we had this little light with us. All right, everybody, check out what the nice folks over at Acebeam sent us to review. So this is their little UC3A 900 lumens everyday carry light, compact, and we're gonna unbox it here today and check it out. And let's see, they sent us a little thank you card as well. Let's look at that together. It says, best of luck, Vanguard. This is your Acebeam UC3A 17th anniversary, created for those who expect more from every tool. Anniversary red. That's all right. So let's check it out, man. We'll go over it together here. I appreciate those guys reaching out. You know, we're a sucker for awesome flashlights. So let's open it up here together. And oh, 10-year warranty, which is really nice. Now what we're gonna do, I don't know anything about this light other than a little bit that I've read on it. So let's go over it together here. So I see right away we got some charging cord, a keychain, and some extra O-rings. Man, that's really nice. Check that out. Got a little instruction manual packed in there really good. Let's take off that little film and see if we can get it going. So we'll unthread it here. Oh yeah, there's that little film. Let's look at the battery. So that's a 400 milliamp hour 10440 Acebeam battery. It looks about, I guess, imagine that's about the size of a AAA, and it has a USB-C plug there. And the little Acebeam 400 milliamp hour battery has a nice little LED on there to tell you when it's charged, red and green, so that's nice. So we will let that charge up good here on the workbench. Right away we see this nice pocket clip here. Handy working on the bike if we need to. Alright, let's see what it's about here. Alright, so I briefly read over the instructions so I can show you guys exactly what it's about. So if you just enter straight away, this is just medium. If you hold it down, it'll cycle through low, medium, and high. And if you want to go straight to high, you just double click it right off the bat. That's really nice. And I think if you hold this down for 3 seconds, that means it's locked and it won't come on at all. So then you hold it down for another 3 seconds and it'll be backing in low. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so then you have this side RGB light here. So let's check it out. If we just hit it once, that's going to come on white. If you double click it, you start with the red, green, and blue, and there's tons of different modes. You double click it again, it flashes. Again, you get the different colors. Again. Boy, that's pretty. It's supposed to have a rainbow strobe. Yeah, look at that. Ain't that pretty cool, man? That's really nice. Then back to the regular light there. So yeah, really nice, man. Simple little light. From what I've read, it lasts really good on a good charge, and you can pick up some of those extra batteries. So what I'm going to do is drop a link below for it, and hopefully you guys grab you one. They're pretty good price on them. Helps the channel out. I really appreciate those guys for sending this to us to review. And let's look at it some more in the dark here, and we'll go shine it on this ATV we're working on in the dark and see how it looks. All right, so check this out. This is on medium. It's pretty dark in here, Plenty of light to check the oil level there on medium, and if we want to go ahead and go to bright, all we got to do is double click it. Check it out. Tons of light to do service on this thing. This is going to be really nice around camp. Let's see how the little side light is too, because I think it will probably last. Oh yeah, so that will be plenty of light inside your tent or anything at night, and still enough to check the oil level. Let's see. Oh yeah, no worries at all about that. So man, again, plenty of light here to check this wheeler out if we needed to work on it. Plenty of light. We'll do a little long-term review on it, carry it camping with us and see how it does, but so far it's really handy, fits right in your pocket, nothing to it. All right, so the Acebeam UC3A, pretty good little light so far, and really appreciate those guys for sending it to us. Like I said, we'll do a long-term review, see how good it lasts on one charge and all that good stuff, but this is the preliminary unboxing here and trying it out here in the shop with the lights off. I'm really liking it. Appears like you can put it right on your hat. Yeah, fits right on there, no problem. So if you're needing both hands, you got it. Also easy to turn on and off while it's on your hat, no problem, just reach right up there. So yeah, man, really neat little light. And again, appreciate those guys for sending this little thank you card. Things like that mean a ton to us here at the channel, and we'll really treasure this little light along with the others that we have, and I'll do a long-term review on it eventually. So all right guys, if you hadn't subbed to the channel, you know mainly we're a behind the handlebars type channel, getting out there and doing some camping and adventuring around and trying to find new trails. But sometimes we love things like this, man. Things like this really help us here in the shop working too, and this will be perfect in the tent and around camp. So thanks again, guys. All right, guys. So if you like what you see, make sure you go down there and hit that like button. Think about subbing to the channel if you haven't. And we got some good stuff coming on the way. It's been a little bit hot this summer to get out and ride a ton, so I haven't done quite as much camping. It's just misery hot, man. It's been brutal. The humidity here in upstate South Carolina and across North Carolina around the lakes is tough. So if we go any this summer, again, we're going to get up in elevation above 3,000 feet, then you can kind of stand it. And we have some of that close. So stay tuned. We'll see you on the next, guys. Appreciate it. Take care.